Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate the lead from the song It's Not This by Bearson. First, let's open up a Serum. Initialize the patch. Now, go to the matrix and choose Envelope 2 as the source. Then choose Master Tune as the destination. Then turn up the amount. Let's adjust the settings in the envelope. Turn up the attack. Then turn the decay the fuck down. Go back to the matrix and choose macro 1 as an aux source. Now I'll give this effect a proper name. I'll call it puke because it sounds like my drunk mother throwing up after she has been drinking all day long. Turn up the puke effect. Now, this is very important. In order to avoid too much puke, we will have to go to envelope 1 and turn up the attack. Nice. Let's keep on going, because this is so much fun. Let's choose some other waveforms. Turn on oscillator B. We are going to detune this shit heavy. Now turn the volume the fuck down, bitch. Turn on the filter. Spice it up with some noise. Perfect. We are almost done now. So keep watching. Add some distortion. Done. Now let us make the plucky sound. Open up a new Serum. Choose a sine waveform. Adjust the wavetable position. Turn down the sustain and adjust the decay, the attack and the release. Detune the oscillator, and add a LFO to the fine-tuning. Adjust the LFO rate. Now, let's add some effects. Turn on the distortion and choose downsample. Adjust the parameters. Now turn on the reverb and give it a tiny bit of space. We made it, fam. Now let us listen to this horrible shit that we just created. Wow. Congratulations. You are now son of a bear, so out to nature and catch some salmons. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more dank videos.